How to log into your Ocean credit card account. First thing first, head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into the Safari. Let me move into Safari. In the source bar, search for Ocean credit card. Different sites will be available to you. Head over to this one. You will land on the official page of Ocean credit card. At the very top right, you can see the option of sign in. Click on it. Wait for a while for it to load. This interface will appear in your screen. So in this page, what you want to do is, first of all, enter the username. Well, it could be also your email address. Once you have entered your username, enter the password of your account that you have created before. Once you are done, click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, you will be successfully logged into your Ocean credit card account. So that's all for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to log into your Ocean credit card account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.